This altcoin surpasses 7 million unique addresses in 7 days. Let's talk about this one right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, in the past few days, over 3.6 million new addresses have been generated on the Fantom network, as per data from FTMScan revealed. Now, with 87 validators managing the network, Fantom processed upward of 8 transactions per second. Okay? Now, DeFi projects on Fantom have emerged as the top performers in recent months and have been the primary reason for the boom in daily unique addresses. Spooky Swap and Jice Finance are the two top Fantom projects, have combined TVL of 185 million. Now, the total value locked in Fantom is around 500 million and currently on the top 100 list of DeFi projects. Look at this. The number of Fantom unique addresses surpassed 7 million. And this was tweeted out not that long ago. Now, in other news, there's a rumor of a comeback. Andre's project, or Andre, the project core DeFi architect, has spiked Fantom price by 25% within 24 hours. Fantom lost 3.62 billion in market capitalization while Andre was away, but even without his core architect, it has remained true to its tokenomics, as in recent months, some of its supply has been burned, staking rewards have been increased, and grants from the Gitcoin, or I would say Gitcoin, have been distributed to contributors. So, but the big headline is this altcoin surpasses 7 million unique addresses, and it's on the Fantom network, and that is amazing. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. You are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.